Hello everyone, you're welcome to this class. So this is correction to more problems on Pythagoras theorem. So in the first question, the question asks us to find the perimeter of ABC. So that is this shape. We want to find the perimeter. And for us to find the perimeter of any shape, we must know the size that surrounds the shape. And we have known three here. This is this one, this one, this one. But we don't know this, so we have to find this. And this cannot be found except we know this angle, this side AC at the middle. So we have to find sine AC first before we can find sine CB. Then we add everything together. So to do that, so we're going to make use of Pythagoras theorem. So we're going to make use of triangle ADC. So in let me pick on that pen. In triangle ADC, so AC squared, which is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse here because it's facing the right angle, opposite and adjacent. So AC squared equals to what? AD squared plus what? DC squared. So AC is what I'm going, which is AC. Let's make it Y. Let's put Y here. So that's going to be Y squared, which is equal to 6 squared plus 8 squared. And Y squared equals to 36 plus 64. So which will give us 100. So Y equals to square root of 100. And that gives us 10 centimeters. So that means that one is 10 centimeters. So we can also apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC. So we can say that AB, which is the hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse now, this will become opposite and this will become what? Adjacent. So to change. So AB squared equals to what? AC squared plus CB squared. So AB is equal to 26 squared equals to AC, and that's what we just got now, which is 10 squared plus CB squared. That is what we were looking for. Let's make it X. That is X squared. So from here, we can have 26 squared now will be 26. That is 676. So we're going to have 676 equals to 100 plus what's X squared. So therefore, we can have X squared now to be equals to 676. 676 minus 100. So that gives us X squared is equal to 576. All right? 576. So 576 square root of 576, square root of 576. 576 gives us 24. So that is X squared. X equal to square root of 576 is equal to what? 24. But mind you, that is not what we are looking for. So what we are looking for, we are asked to find the perimeter of this shape. So that means we're going to say 6 plus 26 plus 24 we just got now plus 8. Those are the four sides we have there. So this is 50, 58, 58 plus that we're going to be 64. So that is the answer, 64, D, option D. So you can see that if guys not taking, you pick 24 and you'll be wrong, all right? So that is that on that one. So move to the next question, number 2 now. The next question here. So a straight ladder leans against a vertical wall. So we have a vertical wall like this, and a ladder leans against it. This is the ladder here, all right? reaching a height of 12. That is, this place is 12 meters. The base of the ladder is 5 meters from the wall. This is the base of the ladder here. It's 5 meters from the wall. So what is the length of the ladder? This is the ladder. We are looking for the length of the ladder, which is x here. I hope I'm making sense. So this is right angle here. So you can see now. So what we are looking for is hypotenuse because it's facing the right angle. This could be the opposite and these are adjacent. Therefore, we're going to have hypotenuse squared equals to opposite squared plus what? Adjacent squared. So hypotenuse squared is x squared, then 12 squared plus 5 squared. So that means x squared equals to 144 plus 25. That means x squared is equal to 169. Therefore, x is equal to square root of 169, and that's equal to 13 meters. And that is the last option there. I hope this is very clear. Okay, the third question. We have two poles with height 12 meters and 60 meters stand upright a certain distance apart. If a cable is strung between the tops of the poles, what is the minimum length of the cable? Now, this is, let's have it here. This is the first pole, which is, let's say this is, and we have another pole. This one is 16, while this one is 12. A rope is strung at the top of this, that's going to form this line here, right? And this is the base. Okay, now they ask us to find the length of this rope. So the length, you must know this line so that we can form a right angle here. So, and this line is not given, so we can't know this. How are we going to know this? So we can know this one, 12 minus 16, this will be 4. So, like, what would be the answer? We cannot determine the minimum cable length without knowing the distance between the poles. That would be the answer. So that is, we have to know this side before we can get the length of the rope. So that is that on the third question. Then the fourth one, a rectangular garden. A rectangular garden. So you draw the rectangle, this rectangular garden of 8 meters by 6 meters. What is the diagonal distance from one corner? So we are looking for this. This is right angle. That means we are looking for hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse squared equals to opposite squared plus what? Adjacent squared. Hypotenuse is x squared here. Opposite, you can make it to be 6. And other squared to what? 8 squared. So that is x squared equals to 36 plus 64. That means x squared equals to what? 100. Therefore, x equal to what? Square root of 100. That is 10 meters, which is this option here. You can see this is very straightforward. Once you know how to interpret, you are good to go. So the last one here is a square has a diagonal measuring this. What is the length of each side of the square? This is good. So we have a square, we draw it, all right, and the diagonal is 10 root 2. We are looking for each side. So, and the size, all the sides of square are the same. So, which in this case will also be what? X. So, applying Pythagoras theorem, so we can have, this is hypotenuse here, opposite adjacent. That means hypotenuse squared equals to opposite squared plus what? Adjacent squared. So hypotenuse squared is 10 square root of 2, everything squared, equals to x squared plus what? X squared as well. So square root of 10 is 100. Square root of 2 is 2. Divided by 2x squared when you add them together. So you can divide both sides by 2 now. By 2. 2 cancel to 2 cancel 2. Therefore, x squared is equal to what? 100. So which is equal to x equals to square root of 100. And therefore, x is equal to 10 meters. I hope that is clear. Alright, so that means the answer is A. I hope this is very clear to you. So that is that on this practice question, solution to practice question. So, going to meet in our next video. Bye.